Good afternoon. Welcome to Lincoln Early Learning Center.
By the time this is over, we could end up having 380 students attend here next school year. There's just a massive amount of room in here for us to grow.
And so we are required to provide it for special education students. Because our district leadership really recognizes the value of inclusion and providing that opportunity for all students, there has been the value placed on that, which has made this possible.
So we do have our classroom connected next door for some of our students that are impacted by autism, but this room is also enjoyed by other students throughout the building. We have lots of different opportunities to come in and provide sensory input as needed. Some students have a sensory diet throughout their school day that they follow. We have some nice calming areas for them, a fun swing to get some input, and then also through the hallway as you're walking you'll see some other different opportunities for students to have some sensory input throughout their day.
So we're in Miss Geisler's class right now, Melissa's class. Here we have 19 community partners that represent our community and the great work that they're doing to help support us with kids with special needs. And so all of them, these partners are coming together to show support, and then parents can communicate and get information from them and just find out other resources. So we're happy to have them here.
It looks good. It's online and it is. Go! Right here, okay? You go that way. You come right here. Almost.
You got the ball! There's one going.
One more time. Good job, guys. Try real hard.
My name is Terry Crisp, and this is our first time with the Early Learning Center. We are thrilled at what it's doing for our granddaughter. She loves coming to school. The development and what she's done in the class has been amazing. We're just can't say enough good things about the teachers and the whole facility. It's just such a wonderful thing that they're doing here. I'm glad that the Boise School District is doing this for our kids.